everyone, it's Holly. My husband and I just got back from a trip to Jamaica, and while we were there, we stayed at the Jewel Grand Resort and Spa. I did a video where I shared our experience staying at this resort. I did a full tour as well as an honest review. If you haven't already checked out that video, there will be a link for it in the description box below that you can check out later. In this video, I wanted to share all about the room we stayed in, do a complete tour, and honest review when it came to the type of room we had and our experience there. We stayed on the 11th floor of Sea Tower, and we had what was called an oceanfront one-bedroom suite, but we actually had reservations for an oceanfront junior suite. They must have ran out of junior suites because when we got there, they said they were going to upgrade us for no extra charge to a one-bedroom oceanfront suite. When you first walk in, there is this big room here with a big stand-up mirror. There is a table and chairs, as well as a couch and two other chairs and a big screen TV. And then of course you have your patio here. The patio included two deck chairs, a table and chairs. Of course you can see there is a beautiful view of the ocean here. However, our room, where it was located, being in the corner, was a little obstructed in some areas, but it was still a very nice view. I do like how there is a glass balcony so you can see right through. That is what the first patio looks like. Going back into the room here, again to show what it looks like. You know, it's nice, but honestly, we didn't really need all this space. We hardly ever spent any time in this room. There is a phone here. In the kitchen, they have a refrigerator. And as part of your stay, you have someone coming daily to restock the fridge with soda beer and water bottles. Right below that is the freezer. We never used it. You can see on the counter here, there is a coffee maker with some coffee. Now, this is the unusual part. It comes with a stovetop and an oven. Why would we cook? We are at an all-inclusive resort. This is something that was really useless to us. There wasn't even pots and pans to cook anything. There's a microwave. And then over here on the island, you have a sink and a dishwasher. But why do we need a dishwasher? I'm not doing any dishes while I'm on vacation. Anyways, there is this nice area here, but it just really isn't worth it for us to have it. Thankfully, we didn't have to pay extra for it. Getting into the bedroom here, you can see it has a nice big king-size bed. I thought the bed was pretty comfortable. And then there is a second patio with a nice ocean view. And out on this patio, you can see there is also a table and chairs. But again, you can see in the corner here, a little bit obstructed view, but we can actually see behind the hotel and look over at the mountains. You know, I mean, it is a nice view. We do get a view of the entire resort, but you can see that it's a little bit obstructed with this balcony being in the corner here. Looking down, we were able to see all the action below, as well as the beautiful Caribbean. Going back into the bedroom, they have this footstool couch sort of thing that we just mainly put our suitcases and bags on. There's also another TV for the bedroom, and this does tilt. It does move so you can watch TV in bed. Then there is plenty of drawer space here, and these drawers are all soft closing, which is kind of cool. And just give them a push and they close on their own. Lots of storage space here. Then there is a stand-up mirror, and then each side of the bed has a nightstand with standard plugs and USB plugs, but I actually had a broken one, which was okay because I always travel with my extension plugs there. Both a lamp and plugs on both sides of the bed, and then of course there is the phone there on one of the nightstands in case you want to call the front desk or order room service. Yes, they do have room service, and I will talk about that towards the end of this video. Now to head on over to the bathroom. This door right here leads into the walk-in closet. We kept this door shut most of the time because there was this automatic light that kept turning on every time you walk by it. Here is the master bathroom. It has a giant bathtub, Nice big soaking bathtub, which I am a fan of. I must admit, I am a bath taker and I was very happy to have this big tub. You can see that it has a shower head. Every day they come and restock towels and usually fold them up all pretty and cute. Here is the toilet room, and then there is a double vanity. It has one of these makeup mirrors or magnifying mirrors, which came in handy a lot for when I did my makeup. Here is all the stuff that was included in the bathroom. You have your shower gel, shampoo, body lotion, conditioner, and then your hand soaps. You know, always nice to have these things if you don't feel like packing them in your suitcase. There is a huge walk-in shower, a giant shower head, and this shower is so big, my whole family could fit in here. I don't really need a shower this big, but some people like it. The bathroom came with a hairdryer. I never need one because I always travel with my own. I do like this extra storage under the vanity here. There are 2 hooks right here on the wall for your convenience. I certainly like having hooks and I wish there was more of them. Nice big closet. It has a safe where you can put in your own code and put your valuables in there. Then it comes with an iron and an ironing board. It did not have enough hangers. We actually had to go and request extra hangers. That is the door that goes back into the bedroom. And so you have a door here that closes up the bathroom to give it full privacy from the master bedroom, which I really do like. I think it's good to have that separation from the bedroom. One last stop on the tour, so that's the bedroom, and then across the hall there is a second bathroom. We were told this was the guest bathroom, but what guest? And it's a full bathroom for the most part. It has its own shower. My husband actually ended up taking this bathroom, making it his. He took all his showers in here. He just went ahead and had all his toiletries kept in here and used his bathroom all the time, which was a nice little bonus. I had my own bathroom for the first time. It was great, but did we really need a second bathroom? I think it was nice, but I definitely don't think it's worth paying the extra money for this upgrade. Thankfully though, we didn't have to pay for the upgrade. We were given this at no extra cost. Anyways, that is what the 1-bedroom oceanfront suite looks like. You can see that, you know, it has this space, which is nice, but I don't think a lot of people staying in an all-inclusive really need it. One of the reasons it is not important to have a full kitchen, and especially to pay extra for a full kitchen, is because with the all-inclusive resort, room service is included. You can just order all the food on the room service menu and they will bring it to you. There is a few items on the menu such as lobster that you do have to pay additional fee for, but for the most part, really all you're paying for is a tip to the person who brings you your room service. Now, we didn't unfortunately utilize this room service option. We did, however, get the jerk chicken wraps one day before we were going to go on our excursion. They brought it to us. That way we could have a packed lunch to take with us when we went out for the day. That was definitely a nice bonus, but you could see there was a lot of different selections on the room service menu, and I really love that there was this option. And again, you don't need a full kitchen in your room because you have this. Here is what it looked like in the morning. We got a little bit of a sunrise coloring in the sky, a cruise ship off in the distance there, and then in the evening this is how it looked with a little bit of the sunset. So very pretty. I definitely think that our advantage was that we had a room that was much higher up. Being on the 11th floor definitely gave us a great aerial shot, and it was nice to be way up here and see everything. I do have to be perfectly honest though, when it came to the expectations of the rooms, when you go to the Jewel Grand website, I really feel like they make the rooms look a whole lot nicer than they are in person. I mean, here is an example of what the room is supposed to look like. We did not have all these extra throw pillows in our room, and there were certain areas of the room that I just don't think they did the best job cleaning. You know, I know they do their best to try and clean all the rooms, but I think there is still room for improvement. I even found that there was some areas where they could probably fix some of the upholstery. You could see here that the curtains are kind of falling apart. In my own personal opinion, I really felt that what this hotel and suite was lacking in their rooms was hooks on their walls. There were so so many bare walls that could have used some hooks. I find that very convenient when I stay places to be able to hang up bags and other items. I wish that they would use some of these walls and add some hooks. It would make it very convenient. While I did see many flaws that I just wanted to point out because this is an honest review, overall it was a great stay there. We really did enjoy our room. We were happy with the fact that they did clean it every day, and the hotel staff did see to our needs if we needed anything extra, such as towels, hangers, an extra blanket. In the end, I do recommend staying at the Jewel Grand Resort. I only share these negative things because I don't want you to think this place is perfect. It definitely has room for improvement. I do hope that this room tour and honest review was helpful and gave you a better understanding of what to expect staying at the Jewel Grand Resort in their oceanfront 1-bedroom suite. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and may you have a beautiful day.